Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we've come quite local to us, just over the border into Derbyshire, to Codnor Park Reservoir. It's a lovely place, a lot of wildlife around here. So light's really flat today, so we couldn't really do much else with the landscape side of things. So come out, a bit of wildlife. I've got the 600mm lens with me, so let's see what we can find. So this is the 600mm lens that I use. It's a Sigma 150 to 600 contemporary, and it's often known as the bazooka because when it's extended it is absolutely huge. But for weight versus performance, it's absolutely fantastic and suits the 5D really well. But you'll see some more of the shots on that as we go through the day. Now this section of the path along here, there's actually little feeding stations all the way along the fence posts. It's an ideal place to actually get some of the wildlife on camera when you actually fill the feeders up. Now I've popped a little bit of food on each of the feeders, so I'm going to wait now and see if the wildlife does crop up. It normally doesn't take them long. Now I did mention that the robins here are absolutely gorgeous, and they're very inquisitive, very brave, they're very used to the people around here, but some of the shots you get from them are absolutely fantastic. They're beautiful little creatures. Now last December when we came up here, we got some fantastic shots of the kingfisher that sort of frequents this area, the old Crawford Canal. He's not here today, but we're going to have a wander along and see what we can find. But I'll pop the shot up from last year, see what you think. Now this is the line of the old Crawford Canal. It used to run from Cromford up in Derbyshire, near Matlock, all the way down to Langley Mill, where it met the Nottingham Canal and the Erewash Canal. Now it's been disused for quite a few years now, but they are trying to restore sections of it. There's a bit of a section from Langley Mill itself that they're going to be working on, hopefully fairly soon. But I'll put a link to the Friends of Cromford Canal Society down in the description. You can take a look, see what you think to it. But it's a lovely place for a walk, definitely, even though at the moment it's just started raining, so we'll keep on wandering, see what we can find. Now the only thing that's a slight shame along here is the main road that runs alongside the canal, but when there's no cars coming along it's really peaceful, but it doesn't seem to bother the wildlife at all. It's really quite nice, but we're just on the edge of sort of losing all the autumn colours now, even though it's like mid-December. It's really late this year, but some of the scenes around here are absolutely glorious. Let's try and get a couple of shots. Take a bit of wander up the in-water section of the Crawford Canal. Not quite all the way, just took it up to the road. No sign of the kingfisher today, unfortunately, but we'll keep a look out. But we're going to head down back into the area now where a lot of the wildlife is, see what we can see. Now I've come down to the back end of the reservoir now. It's more wooded around here, and we've seen quite a few different sort of bird species around here as well, so we're going to have a bit of a gentle wander down, see what we can find, so we can get a few shots of them. There we go, sure we can agree, it's a lovely little place. Quite muddy at the moment, but then again, it's the time of year. But for flat light, it's ideal. You can get out there, nice bit of wildlife around, really enjoy it. And beauty of it is, like I say, the robins here, they're fantastic. So I'll put some more pictures up now, let me know what you think. And as usual, like, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you again on the next one.